welcome into the Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel and to episode 11 of the List Perfectly tutorial series. I'm Star, and today I'm going to show you how to customize your List Perfectly extension. Did you even know that your List Perfectly extension is customizable? A lot of people didn't, and I didn't for a very long time until I really delved in when I upgraded to the Pro Guide and started to learn all of the great things about List Perfectly that I was not using to its full potential. You want to make sure that you have a List Perfectly icon on your Chrome bar up here. You do that. If you do not see the List Perfectly, you push the puzzle piece that says extensions, and you just make sure the pin next to List Perfectly is blue. So you pin it, and then you can click that. When you click your List Perfectly icon, you get a little mini menu here where you can see the news. You can quickly add a listing, look at your listings, get a guide to List Perfectly, even get help under Contact Us, or go quickly to your account. But today we're looking at your settings because I'm going to show you how to customize your extension to fit your personal needs for your business, but not just all the time, from day to day, from need to need. Here's what I mean. Click Settings. It's going to show you all of the different things you can do here. If you watched the last video, episode 10, on how to edit and update listings across multiple platforms straight from your catalog and List Perfectly, you saw this Copy to Open Marketplace tab would need to be checked to do that. But then you would uncheck it to go back to regular cross-posting. So that's what I mean. You can customize this for your personal needs in your business, but it can be from day to day, from whim to whim, from task to task. Everything that you need to change is right here and very customizable. And anytime you don't know, what is this? What does this even mean? Like, modify images before upload. Mine's checked. What if I didn't know what that meant? Well, check it out. To the right, there's a question mark. Click your question mark. It takes you right to the instructions here on the extension settings. So List Perfectly allows you to customize your List Perfectly extension settings to fit your unique needs. You click the extension in the top right corner of your browser, and then when you check the question mark, it will bring you to this page, and it tells you exactly what each one does and does not do, whether or not it's checked. So that modify images before upload, it'll tell you which plans it's on. It's only on Business and Pro Plan, which is nice that it tells you which plans include this feature. And if it is checked, which they recommend, they tell you that too. When you upload listing images, List Perfectly will resize them into a square shape, 1-to-1 ratio. We do that by adding white borders and never crop your images. So it will automatically modify your images to what Google image search, what Poshmark, a lot of the platforms like. Their bots like those images. If you leave it unchecked when you upload the listing images, List Perfectly will leave them as is, whatever shape and size they are in. But be aware that when you cross-post, the platform may edit, resize, or crop your image according to their listing guidelines. So why this feature is so cool and so important, many of you know, if you have an image that is not square and you move it from eBay to Poshmark, Poshmark itself wants that to be a square shape. They want that a 1-to-1 ratio photo. So a lot of times they'll crop it off weird, and you'll have like a full-length photo of your jeans, but now you're just showing the butt pockets on Poshmark because it crops it weird. List Perfectly won't do that. List Perfectly always reshapes them by adding white borders and never crops your images or makes them look weird or look funny. And if you've ever seen the way Poshmark does that, it's not attractive. So yeah, they will explain it to you. They tell you what's recommended. You can go down here. Shopify shop name you can add. You can do Instagram description separators, support for large catalogs, show copied status. That's one I've already talked about in this series. I think is so important because it shows you what you've already copied from any platform to your catalog, so you're not getting double listings. You can set not for sale on Poshmark or just delete it. That's your choice. There's an option here for that. So take a minute when you have a little bit of time and go through your settings, go to the question marks and go through here and see what are you not using that could be making your life easier. What part of List Perfectly's full potential are you not using? There's a lot of hidden like little tricks and tips in List Perfectly that just make your life as a reseller so much easier, and it's supposed to, but you have to take the time to learn it just like anything else. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button before you leave and subscribe. You can join our Facebook group. It's called Flippin' Hippos Reseller Pod, and you can always tag me in there if you want additional support or help from any resellers within the community. It's a really great group. Oh, and if you want to try List Perfectly for 30% off, or you want to upgrade to the Pro plan for 30% off for a month to try it out, you can use our code FlippinHippos along with the link provided down below. Until next time, go be productive, go make some money, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.